We've got an Easter special for you, and you can buy one of 4 products. They're all identical, depending on which of your favourite creators you buy through. The winner, the creator winner, is going to get a freebie for a giveaway. That's the only thing. The DX Commander Expedition is currently on sale at £229, right? Now, for the Easter weekend only, we're offering it not only on sale, but free shipping worldwide. So there's no holes barred. It's the DX10 wire. It's the regular DX Commander Expedition pole. We got the new speed plates cut in UV protected marine plastic. We've moved away from UHNWPE. It's a special polymer. We've got that with all the stainless nuts, bolts, washers, fork connectors, paracord, everything you need to get on the air with a no compromise antenna. That's the point. Now, Tom went around the Isle of Arran. We built one of these for Tom last year. He put it in his backpack. He walked around the Isle of Arran. Every lunchtime he'd stop, got it out. It took him about, he says, about 10 minutes. He reckons he got it down to 7 minutes. Put up the DX Commander Expedition. He was on an ICOM 705. He worked some of the best DX. He's got into Argentina on his 5 watts, whatever it is. I spoke to him every day from here. I'm going to make a little video about that, and I'll let you see that. You know, as a little check-in. I think it was going to be at 2 in the afternoon or something every day on 40 metres, you know. So you get 40 to 10. Apparently it tunes on 6 and 2 as well. It was never designed that way. It's just the luck of the draw. That's the way it happens. So there we are. DX Commander Expedition. Have fun. It turns out, in dollar-wise, it turns out at $283.52. So it's going to be under $300 if you're in the US. All right. So follow the links below and buy one of them, either from Josh, Hayden, Mike, or Jason. All right. I will see you soon. Enjoy. All right. Have fun with your new antenna. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Dominique, yeah, okay, 10 watts both ways. Lovely. 57, south of France. Very good. QDH is near Birmingham. Over.
Yes, over. QDH.
Golf Mike 0, Whiskey Echo Delta. Hello, this is a Mike 0, X-ray. Yes, okay, Ed. As I said, just 13 watts on the radio, about 10 watts on the antenna.